Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I want to share with you guys 3 simple and easy fall Dollar Tree DIYs. And these DIYs are perfect if you need to make some fall decor last minute, since we are in the middle of October. These are so simple and easy to make, but they look so beautiful in your home. So if you would like to see how to create these easy DIYs, then stay tuned to this video. So for the first DIY, you will need this pumpkin tray, and you can keep it orange if you like, but I decided to change it up. So what I did was I spray painted it white with just some Rust-Oleum spray paint, and then I'm gonna take this welcome sign, this one of the 3 galvanized signs that they had at Dollar Tree, and this adhesive all glue that I use for so many of my projects to attach it to the platter. And this was gonna make you a quick and easy but beautiful welcome sign, welcome platter, whichever you want to call it. It's so simple, so easy to make, but turns out so beautiful. For the next DIY, we are going to create some fall candles. Now this candle I did get at Walmart, but I will be sharing with you the next candle that I use, and it is from Dollar Tree. So to create these, to make these a little more fall-like, I just picked up the ribbon that they had at Dollar Tree. They had 2 different kinds of ribbon, one with this gold feather and another one with this kind of metallic leaf, orange leaf, that I'll be sharing with you in just a minute. And I loved both of them so much that I wanted to make 2 different candles with this ribbon. So all I did was I took the ribbon and measured it out to the size that I needed, and I just used Scotch tape to tape them. You could use glue, but I did want to be able to change these candles up for the holidays, so I decided just to use tape. And I'm not going to light these candles, so it didn't matter with the ribbon or the tape. So I'm just rolling it here and taping it down, and then I'll cut off the excess and tape down the excess on the bottom of the candle. For the next candle, I'm going to create it just like I did the last candle. The only difference is this time I am using a Dollar Tree candle, and it's one of those LED light candles, and I'm using that coppery orange leaf ribbon. The last DIY really does not need a tutorial at all. It's really simple, and it's that I just created my own fall signs and put them in beautiful Dollar Tree picture frames. This first one that I created, which I created in PicMonkey, says hello fall, and the next one says be grateful, and I created them with the color scheme that I have in my room, which is my office. If you do like these printables, I do have a link down below so that you can print them yourselves and put them in your own Dollar Tree picture frame and create your own DIY. And that is it, guys. 3 simple and easy fall Dollar Tree DIYs that you can do in your home last minute if you need to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been having so much fun making these fall DIYs for you guys. And stay tuned to my next video, which will be a clean and decorate with me, where you will see how I put all these fall DIYs in my home. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.